This is Rocky News. Let's do the dance. Open up, boy. Come on, let's go. Guys, my name is Elijah.
I can see something.
Here's Israel.
I can see it.
Israel. Just don't worry about it.
Whoa. Where do you think that came from?
I don't know. It came from somewhere.
Like someone finished that.
And he dropped it down in the ground.
Yeah.
Let's make my
Okay. Let's do this.
Wait the news. Let's do the dance. The song is pretty cool for you.
You and me and welcome you from yourself.
We are ready for the song. Uh-oh. We are ready for the song. Uh-oh. We're ready for the song. Uh-oh. We are ready. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Let's go. Down, 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 down.
Down.
Let's go. Up. Oh. Oh. Take a look now. This is going so cool. Guys, wait here.
Oh, what about this one?
That was the old one.
Here's one. I got it. He's not
I know how to do it already.
So, this one's there. Be careful, Elijah, your stick is long. Don't let it poke you.
He's sleepwalking. Okay, come on, guys. Let's go to our mom.
Yay, well done.
Aha! Now we're going. You see? Go. make yourself dirty?
I'm cleaning up the sand. I'm floating the sand.
Yeah, but what's your mom said about playing with sand?
Hello, well.
I wasn't playing with the sand. I was trying to fill up the sand.
No, I want to squish it. Wow.
Not anymore.
Wow, got a big one. Now his squish it. And now,
I gotta find a bigger rock.
a bigger rock.
I mean a bigger sand.
I found it.
Okay.
Okay. That's it.
I found a big one. Now, why did all the
Yes.
birds run this way?
Now let's squish this.
Yeah. I think we must make food for the ants.
Mimi has to make the big thing for the ants.
Yeah. And then we need to go and get some powder milk.
Yeah.
Which means it's the brown sand. Nice. We need a spoon. And we need a stick to be our spoon. My spoon.
What are y'all doing?
We
making big rigs for the ants.
Yeah.
Weed bags for the ants.
And more some curry leaves.
Now we
need sand.
no, we need brown. We need milk. We need powder milk.
Powder milk.